up, you guys? Marty Schwartz here, GuitarJams.com. Got a really awesome classic progression for you, but no bar chords, so it's great. And I just always like this progression, so we're going to get into it. I also have a free ebook, other cool bonus stuff. I always leave a link below this little video box here. You can click it right down there. But in the meantime, I'm just going to give you a nice free lesson right now. Here we go. Alright, we're going to start with an A minor chord. And also the original, it's like tuned almost a half step down. I think mainly because it was a 12 string, so there was tension on the guitar because it's not perfectly in any tuning. But we're going to just go standard tuning here. We take an A minor chord, and we're going to kind of, sounds like Tenacious D was influenced by this a bit. So the pinky comes down on the third and back up. That B string. Then we're going to take our index off. Right to a G chord. Now I'm going to play the G chord with the pinky and the ring finger, middle finger, first finger. And that ring finger is in the same spot for the G chord and the D chord. So it's a nice little transition there. Right to that D. Same thing again. D. The second time it goes to a C. Then we're going to go like this. Drag the pick across from that A string. Ring finger comes off, middle finger comes up to the second fret. Then it goes back to A minor, and you're still strumming from that A string. So watch. Strum. So from the top, G, D, A minor, G, D, then C, strum. So watch. So you got, after you do, you're still on A minor. A minor, A minor, G, D, G, D. The classic pinky add on that third fret. It's a D sus4. So from the top, one more time. Minor, G, and a pinky. So then we're going to go da 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 on the C to a D, da da da, da 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 into the chorus. Da 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 da, G, 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 D, C, 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 D, G, 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 D, C, 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 D, G, 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 C, C. Top. E, walk down, minor, G, D, da, da, C, D, G. I'm going down, 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 up, down, down, up. So, alright, I won't have time to work on all the licks of the solo for this lesson, but I will show you the chord progression. It's very similar to Stairway to Heaven guitar solo. You know, like I think the tempo is about the same. Starts in A minor. So we go like this. We got A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And these are also the chord, that little chord section in the beginning. It's just these two chords really quick. A minor. Add our pinky. You can even do your ring finger like that. So you have A minor, ring finger over to that third of the G. I use my pinky a lot, either one. So you got A minor, 2, 3, 4, with that G note, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, and then F, 2, and you can play F that way if you want. F, 2, 3, 4, E, F, 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 E, F, F. Then it starts, and then it goes back to C. So you got A minor, over G, D, F, 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 E, F. Then you got C to G, So one more time on that section. Right? All right, hope you enjoyed that. I always have extra guitar learning stuff at guitarjams.com or the link below there. And hopefully we'll see you in another video lesson real soon. Thanks for the support, you guys. We'll see you soon.